just delicious. Hear the crunch. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Parks and Pizzas. Today, another fun video for you. Today we have famous Rayo's meatballs in marinara sauce. If you never heard of Rayo's before, Rayo's is the most famous Italian restaurant in New York, and now they opened the second location inside the Caesar's Palace Hotel in Las Vegas, and I think they have one more location in Los Angeles. So it's a pretty famous place. New York location, you have to reserve your table like half a year ahead of time just to get a table. So they're famous for their meatballs, so we're gonna refuse their frozen meatballs, see if they're any good. It says preheat to 400. We're gonna bake them in the oven 50-55 minutes, and then I'm gonna have one meatball, and then I'm gonna make a meatball sandwich with these meatballs, and see how that plays out. Now this was actually expensive. It was like almost $12 for this, and I think they make them. It's a combination of beef and pork. So I can't wait. Let's go do it. This is what the meatballs look outside the box. They're really big, so I think I'm gonna slice them in half and I make my meatball sandwich. So Rayo's is famous for another reason, and that is that they had an empty table. It's a small restaurant in New York, but one of the tables was always empty. And this table was reserved for John Gotti, who was the boss of the Italian mob in New York. And his table was always empty and ready for him whenever he would show up. And nobody was allowed to sit there. So that's why Rayo's, it's a gangster place, it's an old school place, great place. I can't wait to try their meatballs. So this is what the box looks like. I got my box of Sprouts. This is the back. And your nutritional facts here. Got this beautiful mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna shred some of it for our meatball sandwich. Make it with this nice mozzarella cheese and Rayo's sauce. If you never had Rayo's sauce, go buy some. Go to, I think Walmart sells it, as well as Target, all the major stores. Get one spicy arrabbiata and then get one tomato basil and mix it 50-50. It's an amazing sauce. I think this should do for one sandwich. Yeah, mix it 50-50, the spicy and the tomato basil. It's amazing. Looks beautiful. Oh, look at this. I can't wait to try it. So the next step is I'm gonna slice this bread open so we can make the meatball sandwich. Oh, look at these beautiful meatballs. Give you a close-up. Wow, look at that. This is just beautiful. Rayo's came through. These are the most beautiful meatballs I have ever seen in my life. Look at that. Wow. What I want to do, I want to smother them in this sauce. This beautiful Rayo's sauce. Like this. And then we're going to make a meatball sandwich with these babies. Oh, they smell so good. They smell really good. Ah, they're amazing. Now we're gonna make a meatball sandwich. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna slice these meatballs in half. I'm gonna slice the meatballs in half. we're gonna use some of this delicious Rayo sauce. We're gonna put the sauce over the meatballs in the bun, and then we're gonna put the mozzarella cheese to top the sandwich off. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be delicious. Let's go do it. I'm gonna slice these. I'm gonna cut these meatballs in half because they're really, really big, and I'm gonna smother them in this sauce. I'm gonna use 2 meatballs, 4 pieces of meatball. Oh, you guys have to see how delicious these meatballs are. This is amazing. This is just delicious. Can open this bread up. And take these meatballs, put them in the bread like this. Take another piece like that. Take another piece like that. All right. That's beautiful, man. Now we're going to take this Rayo sauce. I'm going to put the sauce on the meatballs. Look at that. Look at this sauce. It's just delicious. Look at this sauce. Look at this sauce. Look how delicious this is. This is amazing. This is amazingly delicious sandwich. Now we're going to top this sandwich with mozzarella cheese. Put this mozzarella all over this meatball sandwich, like this. And this sandwich goes back in the oven. We're going to melt the cheese. Then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here it is. Now you tell me that this is not the best meatball sandwich you've ever seen. Look at this. You can go to pizzerias in New York and it's going to be hard to beat this sandwich. This is an amazing, amazing meatball sandwich. I can't wait to try it. Look how good this guy looks. Rayo's meatballs are delicious. Go to your local grocery store, get these meatballs, make yourself this meatball sandwich. You can thank me in the comments below. It's definitely one of the best meatball sandwiches I've ever had. Definitely, if not the best meatball sandwich I ever had. As always, guys, this is Neil from Parks and Pizza. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.